All right, so we're going to show you how to draw something new today. This is what Theo likes to call a mermaid, but Novelle here, she prefers the term Mer-Kitty. So we're going to make a Mer-Kitty. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Okay, let's start out by putting our names at the top. Great. All right, let's start out by drawing a U, like that. Great. Now we're going to connect the two tops of the U and make a line across. Great, everything's going just perfect. Now we're going to go from one edge of the U and make a mountain on top like that. And on the other side, make another mountain. Those are two ears. Great. All right, now let's start on one side and make kind of a smile. Oh, yours is very big. All right, and from that point, we're gonna come down kind of skinny and then come up to the other side of the cat. Great, great. Now I'm going to draw a little paw. It's gonna be kind of a circle. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. And then we're gonna put 3 little paw lines right there. And let's do one more paw. Aw, so cute. And then let's make a place where the tail's going to start. So just a line straight across. Good, it already looks like a Mer-Kitty to me. Now let's put 2 eyes. It can just be 2 dots and they can be far away from each other or close together. Good. Let's make a little nose. I'm gonna make a nose like this. Now, if we really know it's a cat when we see whiskers, so let's make whiskers on each side. And they could be crazy whiskers. It really gives the cat some personality. If the cat has crooked whiskers, it's a wild cat. And if it has short whiskers, it's a serious cat. And these are just very lovable cats right here. All right, let's work on that tail. I'm gonna put 2 little drops of water looking things, but that's going to be the end of his tail. Then let's make some scales throughout the tail. Great, that looks really good. Now we could stop right there if we wanted, but if you'd like to add a couple more things, you can give the cat eyelashes. The Mer-Kitty can have eyelashes like that. And you can finish right there. Or if you'd like to do more, we can give this cat a little smile. I like to bring a line down from the nose and then make a little happy smile, like a V at the bottom. It almost looks like an arrow going down. How do you like that? Good. Okay, well, let's add one more thing. If you want to draw some fish, you can draw it like this. Have you ever drawn a fish like that? It's kind of a loop. Let's draw a couple fish going this way. And let's draw a fish going up. Or you can make it just go the other way. Great. And give each one of them a little dot for an eye. Great. I think our Mer-Kitties look really nice. What do you think?
Yes.
And your Mer-Kitty turned out really nice. Good job, Novelle.
Let's show our Mer-Kitties. Looking good. We'd love to see all your Mer-Kitties too, or all your mermaids. See you in preschool.